Welcome to Enhancing STEM Education Through the Power of Data. My name is Erica Sweat. I am hoping that through our time together, you learned a little bit about what we did at Salem, SAU 57 in New Hampshire. Everything that I want to share with you today is just trial and error from 7 years of working with our science department and our STEM department, and really diving into what exactly our curriculum was offering, and really looking at our students and really starting to think about the underlying, I guess you would say, unseen data. So for today, some of our session objectives: understand how school-wide assessment data can support STEM programming, explore actionable strategies for leveraging assessment insights in STEM education, learn ways to track and enhance student outcomes using data, and highlight tools and techniques for analyzing and applying school-wide data. And these are all the things that we use here at SAU 57 to really start thinking about the best way to support our students in STEM and to provide the most equity. So a little bit about me: 20 years of teaching 4th through 8th grade, STEM and computer science. I have a K-8 elementary education background, a K-12 general special education certification, and a K-12 curriculum administration. I have my CAGS, educational leadership and administration. I've been an instructional coach in STEM for 7 years, a curriculum developer with PBS and FIRST. And then I've been in the business field and the nonprofit sector field. So I have a round range of experiences when I'm looking at data in the classroom. So why STEM? So STEM workforce grew up to 20% from 2011 to 2021. And we're seeing that the future learning pathways that we need to provide to our students, they're so broad, and we're noticing that many of our students are missing some of those transportable skills. So thinking about the idea of how we can grow those transportable skills in our classroom is critical to providing the workforce. One second. So I can go back. There we go. So why use assessment data in STEM? We found that looking at the curriculum, looking at the instruction, and then thinking about our teachers' personalized learning, the assessment piece was really important. So the assessment piece was informing curriculum design and differentiation. Using assessment, we were able to really start diving into ways in which we could help our students. And thinking about assessment wasn't just looking at iReady data or our state data, but more of looking at our daily interaction with engagement. And that was starting to support some of our learning gaps that we were noticing, and enhancing resources. So through observations and through collecting information from teacher interviews and student interviews, that's how we were able to really change the curriculum and the instruction, and also offer personalized learning experiences for our teachers and our students. There's some key points to consider when we were thinking about going through and using assessment to support our instruction. Academic performance, so that's using iReady, that's using our New Hampshire SAS, that's using our classroom assessments. That's also using some of the daily formative assessments. So really just all performance data. And then we started looking at our high school STEM courses, and we really wanted to see, since we're middle school, how that translated over to the high school. And this is something that we're still doing. We've been doing this for 7 years, going through and looking at the data that's coming out of our middle school to high school. And I think that speaks volumes, because when we